More fun, food, and flavor here on A Cup of Joe. And we are joined on set by one of my day ones. Day one in the house. Many of you who would have followed what we've been doing on social media and also at Movie Town and Fiesta Plaza in Movie Town, the show has been celebrating 5 years. The chef has been here most, if not all, of those 5 years. Chef, quickly before you get into our sponsored segment, what has the journey been like for you on the show? Because I know when you came to us, TV wasn't, you're a chef in the background, on the ground, doing the work. So being a television chef wasn't really what you were doing. No,
and it still isn't.
After all these years.
Because I like to say I'm a private person.
Yeah, me too.
I love what I do. I'm passionate about what I do. But I like to stay in the background. What this show has forced me to do is to come out more, into the open and put that little shyness aside, and pick it up when I'm finished.
You're shy lady.
Yes, I'm normally a shy person, but can't be that around you, It's a different kettle of fish.
I am also a shy person, chef.
Hey!
But it's been a fun ride.
It has been a fun ride. It's been a learning experience. I've met a lot of wonderful people, a lot of, chefs out there. I've had the opportunity as well to have some of my past students on the show, showcase. A lot of them have moved on to open their own business. So it has been a learning experience. And a wonderful one at that.
And as I said, we could not over the years have done this show without you. So we thank you very, very much. On behalf of the Cup of Joe team, as everybody is.
I'll get my gift after.
We're celebrating 5, and Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles is here to present to us the Regal Touch, courtesy the folks at Regal Products, and the chef is doing cookies this morning.
Yes. So, the Regal has a wide range of products. So today we're challenged with the custard powder. Now, a lot of people normally will take the custard, make a custard, or use it for ice cream. We're going to use it in a cookie.
Custard cookies?
Yeah, custard cookies. Now, the nice thing about this, however, this cookie has no eggs in it. So the custard powder replaces that structure that the egg will give to the cookie.
Oh, okay.
Right? Okay. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to cream some butter and Regal icing sugar.
Do you have to measure here? It's important to get the measurements right.
It is important. Now you see that's the difference between baking and cooking.
And cooking, I've always
cooking
heard you
we take and when we taste as we go along.
Yeah.
Baking is more of a science.
Yeah. Exact measurements.
If you throw one measurement off, it's going to throw your whole product off. A lot of times you have to just dump whatever you make.
Wow.
Right? So we have this cream in here. After it's creamed, we're going to add flour, and we're going to add the Regal custard powder.
So we're using the Regal custard powder as well as the icing sugar.
As well as the icing sugar. Right? And we leave that to come together, to combine. Now I have a little milk here, which is going to help it because it's going to be a sort of dry cookie as it mixes, even though there's butter in there. Right? So you just want that to come together. You put some flour on your table, and it's going to be like this.
Okay, so it forms a nice soft dough.
So forms a nice soft dough. You take it, you put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
And then you take it out. Form some, whatever size you want, balls. Now, one of the things I like to do with cookie dough is take it, wrap it in wax paper, roll it in wax paper, and you can freeze it. So you have some cookies, and the holidays is coming around. Kids are home. This is a inexpensive way to make cookies.
When you freeze it, it's there, and you can pull it
it's
anytime.
Just there, and you pull it out, right?
Okay.
So I just take my fork, I dip it in some flour, and I press it down.
Chef, just a quick question. So that will cream for how long?
It will cream just for about a minute or two.
Okay,
Because
okay.
if you see, it's already done.
So that's the texture
That's the
you're looking at.
texture you're looking for. So
Yeah.
let's put these in the oven. Let me just give my hands a little wash.
Yeah. Chef is going to wash her hands and clean up there. So custard cookies and it's like, you remember long time custard creams? I mean, I think they still have
Yes.
custard cream, but I was a custard cream fan. I liked
Right.
a creamy custard.
So that's what we're
biscuit.
going to do here. We're going to take it another step. So I have some that I made
So you
here.
can actually do creams as well?
Right. So I made some buttercream, which I also added some custard powder into it.
Oh.
Right, and we're just going to do a little piping.
Hey.
Hey.
So the custard cream we doing here?
Yes. See?
Oh my God.
Now what you could do, you could pipe just a circle if you want to get a little fancy. Pop something in the middle there.
I got a little strawberry something.
Exactly. Chocolate,
Right.
you know. And then we're going to dust it with some ice and sugar. And there you have it.
That's how you do the Regal Touch, guys. You put the Regal Touch on your desserts this holiday period. It's fantastic. Simple like that. How many ingredients, Chef? 3-4 ingredients
Let's
there?
see. Flour, icing sugar, custard powder, butter,
4 ingredients.
4 ingredients.
Make a dough. Put it in the refrigerator.
20 minutes, let it chill
Yeah.
so that you'll be able to roll it properly and press it down. And as I said, if you want to freeze it, you can roll it as a log in your wax paper, freeze it, pull it out, and you can cut it and bake it.
Excellent stuff. Try the recipe, guys. Very simple. Let us know when you try it, how it came out. Chef is always willing to give us some more tips and tricks about what she does in the kitchen. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles can be found right here in the Regal Culinary Studio, guys. She created a fantastic menu
Yes.
that you could come and enjoy between Thursdays and Sundays here at the home of Cup of Joe, Aruba Culinary Studio, uptown Woodbrook. Hey, Chef, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Can I take one?
Sure.